Engineered for professional-grade underwater missions, Revolution delivers exceptional stability, precision, and adaptability in high current and deep water environments. Its 6-vector thrusters enable faster lateral movement, precise station holding, and agile maneuverability, whether operating in open water or navigating tight, confined spaces. Navigate complex environments with confidence using our unique 260-degree rotating camera and integrated sonar. This system delivers full situational awareness without the need to reposition the entire vehicle. From identifying structural anomalies during hull and weld inspections to maintaining accurate target tracking. With the grabber attached, it becomes a powerful intervention tool, enabling precise retrieval, debris removal, and confident handling of equipment in complex underwater environments. The Revolution batteries are engineered to balance safety and endurance. Each battery provides up to 4 hours of continuous operation and recharges fully in 3 hours. With the swappable design, you can quickly replace the batteries and continue your mission with minimal downtime. For extended inspections, a direct power option is also available. This flexibility is especially valuable for industries that demand long or continuous underwater operations, including infrastructure inspection, marine research, and search and recovery missions. The Revolution delivers the heaviest payload in its class, supporting more attachments and custom configurations to meet diverse underwater challenges.